In this video, we are creating an image mask to keep the background of an image black while changing window and level values. Add a local image and a Synchro View 2D module to your network and connect them as seen in the video. The Synchro View 2D allows to scroll through both images synchronously. Open the automatic panel of the viewer and set the field sync LUTs to true. Now our changes are synchronized in both viewers. Hovering our mouse cursor over the background pixels show a gray value between 0 and 60. We now want to define a mask which covers all of these background pixels. Add a mask and a threshold module to your network and connect them as seen in the video. Configure the threshold so that all pixels lower or equal 60 are set to 0, all others to 1. Define your mask to use a background value of -1000. Back to your viewer, you can see that the changes are only applied to pixels under your mask. Pixels outside the mask remain black. If you want to see the mask which has been used, select the output of the threshold module and use the output inspector. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.